Another hand you come put.
Nah, why be say if I show something now, if you say nah lie. You know the way they come. Now he make una the surprise whether I dey with her for inside house. He say me we can't see eye. That eye bag. Ukmelo. Ekmelo.
You just put that hand for them, now you can snap out.
Nah, what? You can ask question. You say no be shit. Wait. Na brekete woman. Na brekete. See how you say no be shit. See how me for no say na she. I don't block her again. See how. See how I don't put her. You don't see her now.
That hand. That hand not be like hand where come for a body.
And now this one, okay. Now me want to put her for here. Now come shot her. Not be waiting and shot be this.
That's what you know. Let me do for this social media. You feel put
nah, I cannot put my hand for here. Now the day now which hand be this. Who don't know the day now which hand for this social media? So you they watch it the day now which you don't know her hand.
Did you surprise me? How you cut your poo hand? You cut your snapper?
Nah, so now. You know you're waiting talk. He say I hide for inside there. They wait.
You hide for that eye.
He say no. He say I hide for inside Facebook. They do different things for there. He say before you go know you go bring some nine hand now. See I want to zoom and come on. See na hand.
You know, just scratching eye, now you snap out.
No, I don't know. You know, say if they use system, they tell us say see you. You know, see
On top of it, I ain't gonna scratching eye. I don't understand.
I don't know. This is just the damage the eye. Oh. That is that eye bag. They damage her eye. So, can't they swear? And it don't get now 3 decker. It don't get now. Our sister say na double decker. It don't reach 4. Yeah. No, see where you put hand 1, the center 1, 2, 3.
3 for grand.
3 for down.
1 down. After where you put hand, then the next one 2. Then the third one could be the mouth.
Ukmelo. Oh, this one help you Ukmelo. Now 4 double decker. Now she get for eye so.
Now 3 for down, 2 for up, could be 5.
Nah, wow. Eh?
Yeah.
This was to say.
Put for there, so now here PC put for there or na injection.
Now injection not be. I don't know. Be like say now walkie talking. Now walkie talking she wear.
Be like they give all these people injection.
No, it be like waiting these people they use where they call all those people when you get sickness they will from nose fissant.
Oh.
You know. You don't laugh. No, me entertainment. I don't understand though. He tell us about consider waiting. We not get what we want to. I don't talk more than 5 years. Now they talk about this eye. When this eye new come out that time.
Okay, don't see where they talk.
You don't tell. You don't tell.
You for hospital for him now.
I don't check go for him. That time they come to say 3,000.
The way this girl take call police that time. It's not police. Who call police that time? Who they call that girl?
Which girl?
Is it not Blessing Joe? You for call doctor for him.
I check her for him. Say see how much they take they do. I think that time be like say na 3,800 euro. This thing now they go this thing now 4 plus. Go not reach 4 plus.
But should they work now? Show fit? Should they pay a small?
I ask Gogo. That day, yeah, that I do a day live that day. I they ask Gogo. Gogo can't know now. In Gogo, it burn your Gogo display everything come out. See the way where they take they do one. Gogo display everything out. My darling, now wow, this this one now I bag go. Oh bolo, oh bolo, oh bolo, bolo, oh bolo. You know. Then sis. Since almost 4 years now. Now they tell this woman say go do this. I think say play.
She don't be advanced, you know. Maybe if you read out or play, don't tell her say not mean anything.
Now lie, not talk on my sister. See, if you look at TSC, take my tumor away, take my this away, take my fat away. If you read to TSC, women of 90 years said that they repair themselves, for nobody won't want die. Why we local? You know they watch TSC. You know they watch TSC. Nobody, all women. You know they say as people they remove things for their body. Now wow. I make you see you go talk say be 60 years. You say now like be 65 years. You say now like they repair their body.
Yeah.
This woman, yeah, this woman, I will say she get health insurance now. If they pay health insurance, they go help her. They'll help her out. And Japan. You know, that's it. You will see her now. He can't they tell us now, say, see, we don't see her. I don't tell when I see her. You don't tell when many people see her. We don't they tell you since then, say, can't do her. The time when you take it down for social media for years now, I will say she bring this eye matter. Therefore, don't even donate for her reach like 2,000 euros.
For donate for a platform.
Yeah, only way to don't know fight. Now make go. There go, make go.
You never see part now. I see belong there now.
She make talk say she be her sister. If she want cause Saga make say hey, make I know say we be sister. If somebody say you be her sister, that only sister alone, you know fit talk say okay, I don't want fight my sister again. Just say you tell say you be my sister. She's a useless woman. She's too useless. Like
maybe she will get money. They do them. See, maybe you not get money. I make her say Monica donate money for her platform.
Not be Monica, you not get platform. Now Monica want donate for her. She get her platform now. She have her own platform. As our sister when they comment, so our sister will see give her 50 euro. Me go see give her.
If you see do for her, you know say you say you both give you one large of money. May you trust her for her now. Okay.
If I will say she says she need help, me I go donate for her. My sister go donate for her. You go still donate for her.
She need help. Me I know they donate for her.
Why you not donate? You bring 50 euro. Me bring 50 euro. My sister bring 50 euro. Sister May bring 50 euro. 200 don't stand for there. Entertainment when they comment so that one bring 50 euro, 250. Before if people go come give her, before all the some live video presenters say me will see help her. They say if person if person who you know if you they die they go now who you know. I make me not talk. They say who you know if they die they go. No, your women, God forbid. Your women, no abi omi ramen no. Your women. Your women no. Okay, see now. Tateme say she get fans. She get fans. She got 60 people they watch her. Those 60 people when they watch her. If now even 20 euro now they give her.
Monica soldier.
It not me. So far for her this thing that they go give her. Even for it go reach 4,000. Wait, mama, wait it be 4,000. If people 50
if they work, make carry contract, make take go down.
Okay. And I will say she still they pay health insurance. You know, say they for see help her. Health insurance that if they help. Yeah. No, she not they pay anything. She they go Pakistan, sure, go the charter fat. I body fat. Now she go to chatter. She will come chatter red meat.
With you can't cook about
she will come carry red meat. Yeah, call they say lovely not they use nama take they cook. Why go they use nama take they cook? I don't need nama. I know they eat nama. If they had me before, you see say I use nama take cook. And they use nama take they do bisteka. You know bisteka now when you both they do. Now that one they use nama take they do. And if I want,
that one is good. That's the same thing.
I will press line put. I'll press line put. You know, so that is no good.
Now that one they give good blood back. Not the other one who don't cook for you. Cook. If you got the eat.
They then I wish not need nama again. They then I wish to make dege. They then I wish.
If you want it now, if you want it, she need nama. But that kind of type when you they talk.
She don't need nama. No, they then I wish to be. She's supposed to be a vegetarian.
We black. See, we black. We they get anemia. Well. You understand me? So it need nama.
She don't need nama. She need na vegetarian. She's supposed to be. She's supposed to eat.
She need nama. No, if you say na vegetarian, if they eat nama sometimes.
No, not be all the time. And the one when she...
the kind of food when she needs, she just need that one when they toast. You don't eat that with salad.
Yeah. Like goat meat, you go they eat goat meat once in a while. And you don't go they chop anything fat.
You don't need to eat every time.
No, you go Pakistan, sure. The one when Pakistan, Shasha come on for goat, for nama, you go pack and oil.
Other one now they call meat.
Meat. How can she have...
That meat kilo na €4. Meat na 15 euro, 12 euro for kilo.
When she fat for everywhere. She they chop meat when they call come on for cow.
I think they know. She dey alone. She don't even supposed to cook him. She's supposed to cook once, eat out today, eat the next one tomorrow. Don't finish. So that makes she dey okay. Because person when not get pikin, not get anything. Why you they cook, they keep for food?
You see your life? Not be you talk so we not they talk about pikin just now. Not be you still talk so.
What I mean to say, she not get pikin for her.
Okay, she not get children. No, she need to the. You know she no, she they work. She need, you know, say she they work like elephant. She need to cook so that she go eat.
She they work. She after she dey alone. Not see if she just she they work that person when they do live video. That time when they do live video, just cook small food. When we say if you eat that today, the next one don't eat that tomorrow. You don't need to cook. You don't even need to buy meat for freezer.
No, she's supposed to they cook. She's supposed to cook from inside freezer. Now you go
cook. Not supposed to cook for inside freezer. That freezer food when they cook, go to the eat to a
no, you know make her they eat to but you know what the day na which problem. Now that meat when she they buy for Pakistan, fat too much. She no need them.
Mama, you think mostly we our country like this, you know they cook. Sometimes you know good. Me I dey do am, but it's not good. With the length to cook. If you see Moroccan people, if they want Moroccan, they want cook. They'll cook today, eat one today. Now that kind of food like it is.
But okay, see, I now.
Like one when Ojo they cook. It too many now.
That one.
You see,
Okay, somebody say you go give her 500 euro, 2028. This my sister. You don't want to make she see again. 2028. In 4 years' time. My sister. That time, the this thing will call enter 10,000 euro.
I bet. It depends on what time they say for Bagolo for them.
Nah, what? And then I wish somebody say now 2028 he want give you. I want.
You try. Please, you want to put her for Pagolo, they wait for her now.
You try, my darling, you try. You know, it's how we say she they draw the money for social media since then, and for good 4 years. When she take the fight, when I take the tell and say, now that time she for fit take collect money, she get fans that time. That time when she want naked me, that time when she want open my nyash for air, that time when she want disgrace me, people was there to listen to her. Now that time she for collect money.
Yeah, my love, what you don't know now be this one. People did that to listen to all this.
They forgive her money. Mama, they forgive her money. As she want to disgrace me, he say she get my audio, she get everything. She will come play and she for fit collect money for their hand. Now, she don't expire. Audio now, they not see.
She come out now, she get your audio.
She not even say she say I open Toto now. They will say make she enter house. Why be say Monica people? They not they look at reach anything. Not be get audio, not be they reach where Monica dey. They wait. They don't say they see audio. That made they buffer. The time when they run come up for where Lolo dey that time. Run go where Monica dey. If they watch it, they didn't reach that time. Somebody said they didn't win. People they watch and reach like 150, 200. All of them come they go there. Yeah, all of them come they go there. They come to say he get audio way she want come play. They come say they say they didn't know. They'll say they play am. They will say make them wait.
You come me for Nigeria, I'll come back later, okay?
Okay.
I'll come back.
You know, see ya. Edede na wish. My people, I greet you now. Now, good evening. Edede na wish. When she move, come out for where Lolo dey, go where Monica dey. The people from Monica side come they happy say Edede na wish carry audio, follow body. As Edede na wish come reach there now, my people, I think they come they watch Edede na wish that time. They say they come they watch Edede na wish because Edede na wish carry audio. These people be say na true say audio dey with Edede na wish now the second year na be this one now. Not be 2 years ago, 2022. Wait. 2022. Not be 2022 we move go where Monica dey. Now 2024 na the day so. They can't wait for audio. Wait. Those people don't see audio. They'll say they don't wish play audio. They go say, no, now wait first. The audio day here. I go play out the audio day here. As I wait, they don't say they don't wish see audio. Don't be they can't leave it, they don't wish. They leave, huh? Now that time supposed to collect money. No, you not collect. Until that day now. Our sister Meg can't disgrace her. Meg go speaker vai. Sister Meg that Sister Meg that way you're yaba. Before Sister Meg can't disgrace her. He say Maggie. Your sister say, may you come on and come donate to for her. So that make she take do I. Make he say do ukmelo. My daughter say ukmelo. The day when my daughter talk, I laugh tire. She say ukmelo. She say, why she not do this ukmelo? I got to say, no, my daughter they speak pidgin English, so. He say, why she not do this ikmelo? I know why she not do this ikmelo. Make I. Pepper turkey for black boy. I always eat. Only that one when they go carry said that gift to me. They didn't like the house. Oh, listen. Wait. Why not play? I supposed to play now. Edede. Why not play? Edede she papa. Edede she papa. Okay.
Wow. See one turkey. That's it big.
Wait for turtle. They know na patient you go reach.
But the thing they say if turkey big like this, it's not the name.
And I ask who say.
See, that's one turkey just big.
Very big.
Hey, large.
Very well.
Ah, I just see that one. I say, I beg go. No. Me, I know they eat those kind of thing. Now this kind one, I black boy they shop. You can do pepper turkey for black boy.
Black boy
they use that they drink. It's a sip and sing. This I love go. Hey, Jennifer Love, thank you, darling.
Not cause spoil me.
Ebaregwagwadza arerere.
Then now we should not hear what he make talk. Aye bare gogoto arerere alelele arerere. Then I wish they say they thought they go for street say she get whether she be a Edede way get husband. I say make she enter house. Then I wish no get husband. I tell the then I will say if she marry, if she get husband, iki dakwa bedon. I tell if the then I wish marry, I go turn to termite. With the do that shit, they wish man want carry that foolish woman. Oh.
Ebirelo, arere no worry, ready. I walk over. Iwa. Ah, yeah. Now we don't last ka check up. Who na help?
And then I wish make it swallow my oh.
Irona, are you okay? Are you okay?
Ask me oh.
Not be to love person. I love you. You feel there for that person when you need you. Can you support that person? Yes, now. See one want turkey, baba. For October 6th, all this turkey we know cut and so we'll take liver. Now go shop and I'm not go food. Go food. Yes. You be my padina before Mato. My sister do something. Now Precious Mego. Big name.
Now you they run.
They are boss lady. They are role model. I make them not fit do without me. They'll say they don't like me, but they not fit. My matter no they come up for their mouth. Now them love me pass. They say why they did not don't they create for that too. Me, I don't need to know.
Edede no gbomo mwalo. Edede aya we so. We mother onupelo na makinleri genyon ki gwe. We don't they donate money o ene na ejo. Nu do ho adu di ho. Go. The heat of this eye is too much. The heat is too much. The heat of this eye is too much. It's too much. The heat of this eye is too much. Oh, Meta my no other shit.
To see pain there now. Salova. Like I said, you might take clothes off the boy. You might don't even wear go where. Oh, you see they pay there. Just like you don't get. Another thing they don't like now they do. That's what they don't like. Now they do. That thing can sweet me. Like they do it in my haters not like it can sweet me. Yeah, well, I make belly care me while psych mo give a you know. Nothing sweet you pass so to see say your haters. They get sleepless nights for your matter. Especially as we don't invite some of them now. Yo. Hey man, I want a red card in now. We hope we look live video. Chai! What an humiliation. I might be humiliating me, baby. On me, wow. On me, I'm on more good points. Hey, see. see one turkey wings. That's the turkey wings large. Yes, so I be their role model. That's why they can't do without me. See one turkey. Sorry. All this turkey too.
This turkey self, not big. If you reach Amsterdam, if you see one turkey hand, turkey go tire you. It big. Oh, I know they buy for inside market too. Now sure by they go buy it too big. I would if you say that big one, it not go sweet. If you see turkey hand for inside market, inside everyday market, this one small. That one, if I already I want they buy. That one, if they will cut and.
My hand don't freeze. I need to dry my hand. My hand don't freeze.
Now block now.
Make it the insult herself, na idiots. Yeah. Oh, now that one come stupid pass on social media. Make she go meet her. She need my attention. My attention is too expensive for lunatics, especially all these old cargos. Especially that one we don't go, we get double decker for her. That one no dey see.
Now the day I wish they talk so. She said the day I wish don't gog. She get double decker for her. Maggie.
Since how many days? Make she fair go answer Lovely. Now Lovely day front. Make she fair go answer Lovely before she go answer me. She's not shameless. Her picking.
She said make she call answer me. She know the reach where I dey again. You know that woman. She's a fool. Do you know 3 years ago, I think it's almost 3 years now, I did a video. I said, this woman, I'm not talking about you anymore. I stopped doing Saga with you. Anything between you and mine is off on social media. I'm not going to mention your name again. But she couldn't bear it. I bear it for 1 year. I couldn't talk to her. I don't talk to her. I didn't talk to her. You know? All the time they will be calling me, I lovely. You did a video today to talk to Edede now. I said, no, I didn't do any video. And she's just talking about you over there. I said, yeah, let her be talking. Just because I drop her, I don't want to talk to her anymore. That is why she's busy there ranting, shouting on my name. You know? Then I said, okay, I give her 1 year to stay off me. She couldn't stay off me. And I said, okay, let me just teach you a lesson that you will never forget in your hurry. Then that bed when you take sleep for, that nasty bed when you take sleep for Nigeria, you see the nasty bed that she lie on. Then I bring the bed on social media. Then I put, that kind of injection when they give her. I put that serious injection on her medulla. Then she starts shouting again. Come, I see bed. Show me your bed. Show me your bed. Show me your bed. Do you know how I deal with her? When I deck her, when she fall down, then I walk away. That is how I normally deal with her. If I want to deal with her, I will just give her one little punch. Boom. Then she will just stagger. Then she will fall off. Then I'll just take my walk and walk away. That's how I deal with that moron. She's a moron. Did you see the kind of person I am? If I should drop something, there is nobody that will use that something. You cannot use it before Lovely drops something. You know that something is not good. Before Lovely will drop something, just this thing, I don't want to use this thing again. Nobody will use it. Even second-hand shop, they will buy it. Anything that I use, that I dump, they are going to demolish it. Anything where if I use something, this something will be very beautiful. Then when you come close to this something, oh, this something is old. Because of the cleanliness of that something, you will think that something is new. I know how to handle property very well. And at the same time, I know how to handle human being. When I saw Edede na winch, I see the way she behaves. She don't behave like a matured woman, at her age. She's not doing maturing. She don't play matured. She's everywhere, all over the place, calling you out for Saga. Somebody like this is giving you message. So person like this say message to you. So person like this say message to you. I said to her, please, I'm not into this rubbish. If somebody send message to me, I can answer that person by myself. Sometimes I will tell her that I see them. I don't just want to answer. I see their message. I'm here on social media. I'm here on Facebook. If you can see them, I see them too. If I couldn't answer them, not that I don't want to answer them. Not that I'm afraid to answer them. I see them, but I don't want to answer them. She always push. Look at you today. Everybody that you hang around with, people that you push them to fight, do you see how they left you? Look at the way only Meg still remain on your side now. Meg have thrown you off. Nobody is with you anymore. Did you see your life? I told her, go and change. Go and get a new life. Get a new life and stop doing this rubbish with these little children. No, she never listened to me. She insult me. She insult me. Look at you today. I wish if I'm only the live video presenter that ever insulted you on this social media, I think you will be very happy. All the old live video presenter, all of them don't insult you. You cannot pick your phone now and call other live video presenter. They're not going to answer you. What are you going to tell them? You just say they didn't wish. Hello, who be this? Na British of Biker. The next thing they will do, they'll just pick phone. They want to record you because they don't trust you. Did you see? They don't trust you because you were telling them on social media that I will help you guys to. You guys don't worry. I will help you guys to deal with Lovely. But don't worry. I will help you guys. I will chase Lovely off this Facebook. I'm going to chase her off this Facebook. I say me. Me I dey get joy. If I dey find trouble, I dey get joy. My junior brother will say who? My sister. She go do trouble. She go use water to digest her. I will do trouble and I will use water to digest it. Look at your life today now. Everybody is insulting you. Where are you today now? You are nowhere. You are nowhere. You are just being foolish on social media, doing like pop everywhere you go. Everywhere you go. Don't be like this. And when she stink on your skin, she's like parasite. When she stink on your skin, you'll be looking for her to pull it. If I want to pull her, I don't pull her. I will set her on blaze. That is the way I deal with Edede na witch. If Edede na witch should pet on me, say it's still on top of my skin, I won't pull her off my skin. I'll just go and light fire. I will burn Edede na witch with my skin together. There is no need to pull her off my skin. Then I will throw her away. No. I think he can throw my skin on seven. She's a fool. Look at her today now. She just like I don't even you respect mad woman self. Mad woman is better than Edede na witch. There is still some mad woman when you will still see, you still give them respect. Maybe some people want to stone her or him. They'll say, no, why you stoning this mad person? It's not good. People don't like when you beat mad person sometimes. People out there, they don't like it. Because they know that mad person already have problem. They why you still raising your hand on him or her. Did you see? Mad person do have respect. And they didn't wish no get respect. I respect mad person that they didn't wish. I can allow mad person. I will open door for mad person to come inside my house. But I can never open door for Edede na witch to come inside my house. As worst as Edede na witch is. She's very stupid. Mad person, I can open door for mad person to come inside my house. But Edede na witch, I cannot open door for Edede na witch to come inside my house. No. I prefer that mad person. Yes. Edede na witch. Look at her everywhere. All the old live video presenters. She made friends with all of them. She called them. She talked with them in background. Everything. Today, Where is she today? Why is she crying? Must make stay where you are. Must make stay where you are. The group where you are. I don't even know. She's not in any group. The group where you are. Must make stay there. Eh? She do you know what she normally do? She gather irrelevant group. That is what she always do. She want to do that with me. You don't gag me with group. I don't like it. Now so she always like to gang up with group. Can't you show your own? Look at me. I've been on my own for so many years on still social media. Did you see? You can just see somebody. You can just see follow and talk for Facebook. Look at you now. Everybody is running. Nobody want to communicate with you. Nobody want to do anything with you. Just because of your stupidity, foolishness. Very useless woman, arrogant fool. Look at your life today. Oh, sister, make it go Sanfia. Oh, yeah, Bajo Washan. Okay. See your life today.
Pikin not senior me, useless woman. You're gbere.
Oh, yo. Okpaka pikin senior you. Okpaka pikin senior you where? Esodo what? Esodo 14. Wait, Esodo 14 do again. Is it not Esodo? I don't see her again. See her where? Esodo 14 talk waiting. Oh, where? 14. Esodo 14 talk what? She just like that. She's everywhere. Okay, look at Meg now. Her old daughter, her old daughter, senior Mego. She's making problem with Meg now. Can't Edede na wish, help her daughter to come to Europe country. Edede na win, please. Can't you just do one thing on this social media? Do one thing. All you have been doing on this social media is fight. Every day you fight. You bring people together. At the end of the day, you split all of them off your side. You go life for B, life for C, life for B, life for C, life for C, life for D, life for D, life for E. You are just everywhere, gossipy around the globe. The 5 person win with all of the guy that then I wish voice record you. They then I wish voice recording full everywhere. Your voice recording is everywhere. There is no live video presenter don't have entertain and wish voice recording unless if you don't just want to play it. Unless you don't want just play her. She's so annoying. Since I was born, I am very old now. I've never come across as somebody like entertain and witch as old as she is. She don't know how to respect herself. She don't have self-respect. Why she moron like this? Why is she so fucking moron? Why? Why are you so fucking moron? Why are you like this? Why did you throw yourself to the mold like this? Why? Huh? If they look at sometimes, she's not even making sense. She will sometimes they say that, Mama, look at the video. I say I don't want to see her because she's not making sense. Where? Benin not declare for a math. Fish are not declare for a math. Pidgin English not dey math. Even it don't away dey London now. For how many years now? You know fit speak London English. Nothing. She not dey participate for anything. And then I wish she have been on this social media. The one where they one room, and the one room where they pressure. And the one room serve. That one, she see they read pass and the then which. Nah, what? And the one room of pressure. That one, you see even they try, they read. That one will call carton. That will call carton like this, carton small small. If now come now, you go first say, see. No, my people. That one, if that one carton, you go say, see. You go say, And they look there, if they food themselves. If they food themselves, and they look there. The one where they one room of pressure. If that one read. If now come now he won't read. He go say, see. He go say, Oh my God. I was saying, where are those people there? Where my sisters, they be graduates? Eh? This one now go say, go call your sister, come. Eh? They go give my sister a full scap of paper, full scap. They will tell my sister, say, senior sister, so you sit down, read them from beginning to end. You go read them finish, you go turn the back. The second one, they one room of pressure. That one go say, if not come, I go say, see, he go say, He go say, Later go say, oh, he go say, Betty. Go say, Okay, they draw all of them together. We can say, oh, we can say, come. I say, hey, this is the day try. Now, so that what they read you, no? That's that what they read you, small. Like this entertainment now. Entertainment, this alphabet, like just the enter. Like this entertainment now. You go say, T, T, is it T-A-B-R-O? I know they say away. T, A, A, M, is it double M? M, E, N, T. Hey, back. Entertainment. I call the look and say, this is the day don't they try. Oh, I will say this is the day now fee go school now. If now only 1 year, now that the day one room take go school now, you go good. That one for if that one for fit, I will say that one go school. That one for try. You they try. That one they try. You try pass it the day now which oh. All right, the day now which, The way we they teach Edede now which how to read for Facebook. Edede one room of Brescia. Nobody teacher. I will say we teach Edede now which. The way we they teach Edede now which, for social media. If now so we they teach Edede now which Edede one room of Brescia. That one for don't they read comment well. That one they try. And even if say me with that one would they fight. If they try. That one still try pass this one or now one. If they put Edede one room, they'll say it with Edede now which made a set exam for them. Edede one room go try pass Edede now which. Edede one room go try pass Edede now which. Edede one room, the one where you go fit do, you go do one. You go leave the one where no fit do. But Edede na which no go fit do from number 1 question can reach 10. Edede na which no go fit do one. That one when you dey one room for Brescia, that one you go see try pass Edede na which. Edede na which see that one they don't teach that one. And the time when that one come with English, or it can't go come with Ilele do. After Ilele do, it can't dey chook this thing ugbeba for breast. You know see there? Yeah, where am I yes school? Egbuwa women. Oh yeah, ba.
gbere na. Edede dog Betty. Edede na Saga. Edede na what it called?
I know how they barrack. You know, say if I dey deal with this Edede, people will say, "Hey, lovely na the way when you take the deal with this Edede now, which is too much now. Lovely enter house. See the rest now. See the rest." If they lay war for my hand, they can't add their own Jonah. If you want beat Edede na witch, just come on, say you don't know her before. Kukuma, you don't know her. Why you be on my red boy, Jenna? Oh yeah, sister. Yeah.
Cry tire. The day where they leak your fellow small picking yash for social media.
Oh!
People don't dump her.
Oh!
They will not get single respect from anybody. The way that they say they won't learn how to insult the senior, they say they learn how to insult senior. Now that kind of one go come talk to me now. Talk to me.
See comment. Mary, is it Mary Abilesi? He said that old woman.
Me I not see how. If you not see, I mean not see how.
He said that old woman na evil. Na no.
It's also. You understand? Now, you know what they do? So this a no gay party one just did organize. Now they cry put. I know their pains. And they go, yeah, me ya too. Yeah, me ya vie.
Wait, I want shift on. Oh, real.
Share. My children don't block my other phone. Thank God it's not be this one they block.
It's not too far. It's not too far. If you want starter, you start out for 3. You know they shame. Very anyhow person. They irritate. Their character can irritate. Our character to irritate. We go here, they beat him. He go here, they beat him. Jesus Christ. Can't you see on your leg? You don't have track. You only off your track. They go on another person's track. And they're going to track you there. You know, whenever you come to our track, we're going to track you there. I could be one in beer. I could off one photo. Ibia no say the day na which aki book book I wewe aki shino ni bie. Aki shino ni bie. Aki shino ni bie kwa we bubu. Well I say bie is so. He want contact just say me other than ne kon ime. Avala gbe.
Yeah, good evening.
Good evening, how are you doing?
And they found why your side.
Okay, precious and good, how are you?
They are fine.
Let me call her coffee.
I your side too.
We are fine. You get person will send me and think I'm not a friend. Someone can come collect money from you.
Yeah, I said my give you 50 euros. So you want to use and help and pay something.
Okay.
She called me today. You don't get.
I want to back now.
No wahala.
Or should I?
No, just come now. If you pick come this evening because tomorrow I'll be very busy. And she begged me this morning, say she won't use her, you want help and use her and pay for something. So
Okay.
I tell her, say no problem. I was even expecting you to. Okay. Thank you. Yeah. Hi guys. Those of you that was with me before, see the one I went to carry now. This is the turkey I went to buy now. At least now, this is the kind of turkey I always eat. Not the that one where they go carry feather give to me. When you not get the house, yeah, you feather. So sometimes I would like that kind of food, but for party, these are the turkey I want. Hey, gege. This is the turkey I want. They are really big. We cannot leave them like this. I have to cut them into two, I think. See? You want turkey. So more come. Hey, Sophia Zoba.
Thank you for that day now break my distance.
Before this, you see the kind waka and waka today. Wow, see one turkey. That's big. But the thing is, if turkey be big like this, it's not the main.
No, man, not kilo now.
See,
They make a
that's one turkey just be. Hey, large. You see that one? I say, I beg go. No. Me, I not dey eat those kind of thing. And this kind one, I black boy dey shop. These are do pepper turkey for black boy. They use and they drink. Sip and see. This I love go. Hey, Jennifer Love, thank you, darling. Ebare guaguadza, arere. Ukbobie mahere. Ukbomi zehere, ekebirelo, arere no very ready. I walk over, iwa. Ye. Now we know it's all last check up. Oh, na help.
Oh, you never.
Again, now so with the runner, now precious neck the runner. Are you okay? Are you okay? Not be to love person. I love you. You feel there for that person when he needs you. Can you support that person? Yes, now. See one want turkey, baba. For October 6th, all this turkey we know cut and so we'll take liver. Now we'll shop and I'm not go food.
This turkey
go food.
You do one with pepper. Paprika, plenty onions, chili.
You be my padina before Mato, Pamurege, my sister do something. A precious mango, big name. They are boss lady. They are role model. Let make them not fit do without me. They'll say they don't like me, but they not fit my matter. No, they come up for their mouth. Now they love me pass. They say why they did not don't they craze for that too. Me, I don't need to know. I don't want to see them. That cow when I post, so they go see pain there now. They just make you matter clothes. Don't wear. Matter don't even wear. Go wear. Wahala oh. You see they pay there. Another thing where they don't like now go they do. That's one where they don't like now go they do.
That
thing can sweet me. Like they do it my haters not like it can sweet me. You know, nothing sweet you pass so to see say your haters. They get sleepless nights for your matter. Especially as we don't invite some of them now. Yo. Hey, man, I want to be a red card in now. We look at live video. Chai! What an humiliation. I might be humiliating me. We only have wow. Only have no good points. Hey, see one turkey wings. That's the turkey wings large. Yes, so that's the role model. That's why they can't do without me. See one turkey. Sorry. See, all this turkey too big now.
It's fresh and this turkey fresh.
Very large. My hand don't freeze. I need to dry my hand. My hand don't freeze. Make it the insult herself, na idiots. Yeah. Oh, now that one come stupid pass on social media. Make she go meet her. She need my attention. My attention is too expensive for lunatics, especially all these old cargos. So that one we don't go, we get double decker for her. That one no they see road again. Now where that one they go 9 years and pass. So no need.
You say that old cargo where
since how many days? Make she first go answer Lovely. Now Lovely day front. Make she first go answer Lovely before she come answer me. She's not shameless. Her picking not senior me. Useless woman. Gbewena. The dog Betty. The na Zaga. The na what it called? We don't need negative vibe. It's our happiness they pain there. They go cry tire.
I don't know if this is
the way they lick your fellow small picking yash for social media. Edede na gbonwe mi gba ni ahe. People don't dump am.
They don't dump am.
They will not get single respect from anybody.
But where?
The way that they say they won't learn how to insult the senior, they learn how to insult senior. Now that kind of one go come talk to me now, come say talk to me. God forbid. My dear, me I not see how. If you not see, I mean not see how. I'll cut her into two big. I'll cut her into two. Man, I just leave that one. Not be that one go see talk to a person go say person talk to her. You understand? Now you know what they do. So this a no gay party one just did organize. Now they cry put. I know their place. And they go pia me ya. Yeah, me ya vie. Hey, see one wings. One turkey wings. Yeah. I person want to shop this one. Too big.
You know they tell her make go man.
Ipa ne. Oh, igbera ne yo. Igbera ne o. Àwọn nigi ame se ya geme o. Megbera ne. Unu ne ya le se ya gume gua. Megbera ne o. Mother let them they cry. Yeah, wa me veve. Hey, get person wey go curse you. You go they pay you for, but not be who you better pass. You see double decker for my eye. Sure, I find for your eye now.
Well now.
So, I just leave them. They want because of precious meg. Both the ones who not like them, both the ones who don't talk to for back, where don't curse for back. They say, I don't understand. How can you be insulting people, destroying them at the back, and you see they follow them, they do friends? I don't understand. Oh, Facebook. Me, I don't see anybody will go talk to me again for Facebook when I will consider. I don't see anybody will go consider. Where to the extent my own small sister, my own younger sister, tell her life history insult her. I can't say I won't even go tell that one make us apologize. Thank God say not quick me tell that one me apologize.
Yeah.
Thank God.
Which I apologize to who
everybody when she don't follow do friend, they don't run live her. Use lie. Talk for you, to scatter all of them. They run live her. They don't get her time. That kind of person will come talk to me. I can't say person talk to me. I beg him, let them remember for that. We don't see him. We are too busy now. Now, no, my party jollof rice. Now we want start to the cook now. Hey, talking the bear okay. Now be this. My show now the turkey again better people. Merci, Obina, thank you, darling. Soon I see better turkey. See, I put carton. I don't piece and use my hand.
Merci, get another place when for still talk to now. I no talk again.
It's luxury or nothing. It may give you a boy in no luxury or nothing.
My people, the place when I want, I don't play their finish. Who they come? They never dark. Day is darking, coldness time. Day is darking. You see something when I post today, you get which one be fine. I find. I don't see. Now, so my people, where I go, where I live with her. I go work when I want work now. I wash clothes. I dey carry and go upstairs. I want go line the clothes, so that it go dry tomorrow. Now, so it be my people. Edede na wish. We don't see your eye. We have nothing to do with your eye. Because somebody say go donate for you 2028. 2028 now 4 years coming. Now wow, 4 years coming. How many years the day will come? The day will come be 60 years. I think the day now 56 years. I'll be 50. 56, I'll be 53. 2028 28. Edede na when she come be 60 years. Now that time, I ain't want to do it, yeah. The time when you go take beg, I will say, as it dey Facebook, they beg money since then. I think if I don't feel evil, still beg, reach like 1,005. Then she go add money, Jonah. She go do one. No. They all they do irrelevant competition. Competition when you no get weight. And the worst part of it on this social media, that they do competition when you no get weight. And competition when they do, na fake. You no get weight. If I don't look at this sometimes, I'll say, what's this? This competition has no weight. It no weigh anything. Now I lead the now which reach where they today. Look at the now which. Now the other time somebody said that, and she said I once call her mama. I said yes. I don't deny it. I once call her mama. Then when I found out that she's a fool, I dump her. Yes. Did you see now? She's proud. She's proud of me that we're lovely for call her mama. If lovely should call you mama, at the end of the day, make it you should know that you are a lunatic. Now some the person tell you say they Facebook oh. They say they call her mama before I say, oh my God, he can't pay. You know, say somebody when you they respect before, you know they respect that person again. He go pay now. Did you know a lot of people will be say that they disrespect this woman today now? A lot of people, they disrespect this woman. People that respect this woman before. People that think that this woman is responsible. They thought that Edede na winch. She was a responsible woman. A lot of people, they were disappointed by Edede na winch. Because they thought that she's a responsible woman. You know, when you see some women sometimes, we do give them respect. Not because when you don't go for social media. We never knew that they come on this social media with their frustration. She never even think how to bring her daughter to Europe country. You see, huh? I thought the person say, that one, the person say he can't pay. I say, how you tell no? He say, Mama, they pay. Oh. The person say, Mama, he say, as I they respect you before now, tomorrow, I don't call they respect you again, not go pay me. Now tell her, say, you drink or go. He say, you see, huh? Now that one now, I say they pay the day now wish. They said she can't lament. I they call her mama before. I say yes. Everybody knows social media. Even people were saying it. Love like your way they respect you before. Love like your way they respect you before. Where love like your fulfill leave you. A lot of people this live video presenter when you later can go meet. They all said it. They said, Love Lake said that this woman, she's a nonsense woman. They said they couldn't believe. They said, no, we couldn't believe. We thought that it's just a joke. We thought that it's just a saga. We never knew that Love Lake was right. Is it only me one that call you mama on this social media? It's not only me one. A lot of live video presenters, they call you mama. They call you mama, but today, some of them will say that useless woman, that is the Zaga. They're not, most of them, a few of them, they call you British safe. Few of them, they call you British. The rest, they don't call you that name again. Your name now is Edede Saga. Is Edede Chipapa. Is Edede no Bolishale, Eshele. Edede na killing fly and chopping it. Edede na winch. Edede undan. Edede vo. Edede na zen. Did you see a lot of things when they call you for social media? All those people that is calling, all the old live video presenter now, when they call you that name, they once call you mama. Yes, it's a pity that somebody that just gather herself to respect you. At the end of the day, now you are crying. You are crying. Yes, you are crying. See the second one when you get three boys. That one, if you want to throw stone, anytime that one want to use to taste to your head, where she keep the stone, she will go carry am for them. Use and take hit your head. I say if they want to beat you, make that they stone you. They should cast you. Let them cast you with stone. Yes, if they cannot flog you, let them cast you with stone. Because you are nothing but a twat. to reduce yourself is a disgrace. It's a shame and disgrace to you. You reduce yourself to this level. Who you dey follow fight today now? Now, precious Meg. Aren't you ashamed of yourself? Can't you just swallow some of your shame? Is that shame too much for you to bear? The shame is too much for you to carry. Is it too much for you to carry? Sometimes, still use eyes, still pass it. I don't want to talk to this person. Sometimes you say, I still pass. Since all these days now, since where Monica with Meg see quarrel, can't reach today now. Two people when they even they quarrel now. This one don't dey your part. Second one don't dey your part. You now, you just dey there. Message to precious Meg. Message to Meg. Message to Meg. Message to Meg. Hey, yeah, message to Meg. Very useless woman. Very useless. You don't say, this guy woman, you go ever regret why you know her. I regret the very day that this woman called me when I pick a call. I thought that this woman, she was a responsible woman. I thought that this woman, she's a family woman. I never know that this woman. I want to say this woman, she go. I thought that this woman, she was a family woman with children. I never knew that this woman, she born and throw that child away. She's a bon away. Sometimes I would say, if you na bon away, if you na bon away, it don't take away. Edede na which don't bon away for many years ago, 1970 something. Now Edede na which bon pisile at away can't reach today. I thought, yeah, when I saw her, I thought that she's a family woman. She have children, you know. I never knew that she's alone. She's a frustrated bitch. When she can frustrate, stand alone. I always say she have children. I think she will have time for bringing people together, cracking their heads together. No. I thought she was a responsible woman. Because I know they follow people when not responsible waka. Now if you see them for social media, don't say lovely that one. I bet not leave that one. When I see they count that one, John, I'm gonna leave that one because you see the gap that I give to them. I give them big gap. Because the place where they don't respect people, I don't appear and disappear there. I want to reach there. When I see the way the day now which was doing, I've stayed with women like a day age mate. There is a women when if you say with they grow up that time, there is a women when you say I did 30 years, they use 5 years senior me. Someday, I did 30 years, they use 10 years senior me. You know, when we did together years back. You know, I do respect them. They respect themselves. I see a lot of women, Isha women, Bini women, a lot of them, Igbo, Agbo. I have my Agbo mama here. Agbo mama is here. My Igbo lady friend, she live in Amsterdam. You know, I was using the same eye that I used to look those people. I thought that Edede now when she's a responsible woman. Then at the end of the day, she always bring problem. The first time when she want to start, she said, please, I should be happy. Anytime Lolo do video or Monica do video, I should be happy. I said, are you serious? I should stay and be watching those people. He said, yeah. I said, I don't watch them. I only use that time. They can never see my name for their platform. Never. But they ask, say, how this woman they see me? Because then I don't tell when I use fake account, it don't tell. If you they find live video presenter when they use fake account, now me. Then when they say lovely, no they enter here. How lovely content they know what you now they do. And they use fake account they enter. They don't know say I get fake accounts. Do you know? Then I would say no. I said no. I tell her I want to say, have you ever seen me on that platform? Those two women platform. Have you ever seen me there? She said no. I said I don't go there. He said, well, me they go there. I said no. I won't be going there because of you. But I do go there. I do go there with my fake account because I don't want to tell her that I use fake accounts. I say, have you ever seen Lovely in Kyoya? Because anywhere when I did that time, any platform when I enter, Lovely in Kyoya, Lovely in Kyoya, Lovely in Kyoya, no platform when I not dey enter. The first day when I use Lovely in Kyoya, take comment for Monica platform, people say, see Lovely don't comment for here. Now the time Monica say Lovely don't comment for here, say Lovely for a platform. Monica confirm am for a platform, say Lovely for her platform, comment for here with Lovely. They say, see am, wait till I write for her that time. Who she dey Saga? I think that woman went dey IT. Now that woman she dey Saga. That I say I say Mama Facebook go sleep. They say I say Lovely day here. They say hey, Lovely day here. Say Lovely day here. I know they use my account to enter there. I know they use my account to enter there. That's the first day. I don't know that they say, you see that Lovely Kyoya? I don't know that they say now Lovely Kyoya. Now I take day life. I take day, you know, sometimes if I deal with cooking with barrister, if I want enter some of our account sometimes, I will come up for cooking with barrister, then I will use fake account. I don't know say now my account now day that day na Lovely Kyoya now day that day. When I drop that comment, now they say see Lovely Kyoya don't comment for here. Now Monica say Lovely Kyoya comment for here where they say see ya. I now go say I say now my this I go take comment to chai. Now I say kai. Now Lovely Kyoya go take comment. I can never. Now my fake account they comment. I think say now my fake account now day with that deal. I don't know say now Lovely Kyoya. Aye man, you know me. I don't tell when I did other fake account. Do you know how many years when I did that fake account? I did. You know, I did. Sometimes that I don't say they don't they see Lovely comment again. The other they see Lovely comment again. If you don't see my comment that time, I did use my fake this thing. Now one person when it be one discover my account, he come to say now Lovely they write like this. Now they come to say Lovely not they use fake account. They not know say now me be king of fake account. That commenter be one discover me that time. Come to say this one don't be like Lovely because na mistake. If I want write, and they use different way they write. I don't go want make you know say na me they write for there. You know? Now so and then I don't tell them I wish them no. If you say they work, I say go and face your work. Face your work. If you come for work, sleep. Eat sleep. Because I was having pity on her that she do 8 hours, then she's supposed to come back home, clean herself up, eat, relax. That is what she's supposed to be doing. Even if she want to do life, she just come live there. People, they will give her respect, you know. Once in a while. Nobody say she go stop live video. Once in a while. Then she'll still keep that respect. No, she never keep that respect. Anyway, when you did Edede Sakasaga, Edede to Papa, Edede Sakasaga, Edede to Papa. You see her? Then I said to her, no. I don't do that kind of thing. I said, one, I don't have time for that. I have children. I take care of my children. I have a lot to do. He say, you know, they go work. I know they go work. They go school, they go school. I will do house things. Take care of children. Go school. Do this one. Come enter live video. You want me to see they help you for your own live video? Say, make I go, if they do live, make I help on the record down. Make I record. I don't say that time, if they do at that time, no be, again the way we take they do at that time, no be now when be say, you go cut the video for Facebook. That time I record, we they use another this they record at that time. Now say me, go the record, these 2 women, come they give you. Now I say, no, I don't have that time. You know? Now so you still tell my sister, now my sister tell her, say, no, you no fit to, you no get that time. Now I tell my sister, say, she still tell you, may you go to record these people. My sister say yes. Now say her, she still tell me, she can't lie. That woman can't lie. That woman, when he come to say, he carry mama don't visit London. The day my wish can lie. get where we reach, we call the fool and the dead and wish, and the dead and no wish, no say with the fool man. And the dead one wish is a moron. She too they give people, but this is finish. Aye. And the dead and only wish, no say with the fool, and we go there like, plenty of us go there like, we go call the dead and wish, and the dead and wish go the fool herself. We, and the dead and wish, no. They can call say, okay, you can't more buy. Okay, you want color? Don't say if you want color. If you I beg bad people no gusha. Then you never know if you call the we will call the talk for this thing WhatsApp. We will call add ourselves. Then we will call use another. We will call use another phone. Take all the day now wish. Now we go call the day now wish. You go call the talk, and the day now wish you call just the talk. Hey, me I look below me. If I love me, I go look do this one. If I do that, this one, that one. Only lovely, not the only. Hey, I say me will settle. You know what me will settle. Me I look all disgrace always social media. Oh my man, he am more give. He got to say she go carry me go give Benin people. Hey, and the day now wish I lie. And the day now wish you know say if we dey talk for phone we will use another phone take call am make she come dey fool herself. Now there we see the day now wish finish. The day now wish she not gonna say other people they listen to her stupidity. If you want to deal with the day now wish no add that join group, call am separate. You don't call am separate, you not gonna say you dey group not to say you dey group with people. No, anything that you do, no let the day now wish no. Just they call and say you they call her normal, they greet her. If you don't call her normal, greet her, just talk about person. And she'll just cut rope. She like gossip. She can gossip. She say, see, it don't they put me for Benin people mind though. Benin people, you go gather Benin people together, they beat me. You go gather Benin people together, I got the laugh and say, see this one. The day I wish. Come reach today, we see they gather you put for hand, you be fool. And then I wish can call 15 people a day. He never start to the call. And then I wish can call, if then I wish see, get 30 people to call for one day. And then I wish you go call all. Sometimes I go tell and say, how you take they manage your head, your life? How you take they manage? Now you will go walk and you they do. You know, say that time, if they do this thing, afternoon, she they do that time when she they work for restaurant, she say, now she be manager of the restaurant. Yeah? That they lie, sha. The day now we say, now she be manager, now say, ha, director, now be the boss. This, that kitchen, when, that restaurant, when they don't get that restaurant, I think we get no date. And then I wish when enter London, never reach 2 years for London. And then I wish God to say, now he be capo for there, now he be manager. Then I wish go leave. That time she go call me. She go come on, she go stay for bedroom. Very useless woman. I tell her say, well, hello. He go peace. Now he say, me call me. I say, why you can't call me now? What do you call me for? I say, now I say you they worry yourself for. Go walk. Come on peace when you want peace. Now live video, nobody just day live. I said, must you do live video, join your whole life? Sometimes, that time, if you come for work, if I'll tell you, say you don't chop, you know, you can never. Anybody when tell say, now she go come, she go help or she go help Edede na wish with her depression. Lie, or let's say, this depression where Edede na wish they sick. You yourself, you will see they sick the depression. That's what Edede na wish be. Edede is under depression. Edede depression. If you say you want help Edede with her own depression, you go depress. That time I go tell her say, if you come for work, no say na afternoon, na morning they go. That time if you come for work, I tell her say you go sleep. You go come like that. You go dey drink small start. You go come open nyash, come like that like this. I come look and say, who is this? You know there is something. I've never seen women like this. I really see women like this. The way when she take they behave, you know. She will come hold small start. She will come like that for bed. Sometimes she will come tie cloth for chest. She will come like that. She will come they laugh. You know, she get the way they laugh. I have to look and say, okay, because I don't know what they laugh. He say they use yet they look. And they look at today, oh, she there, and they use a yet, they look at what to make me. Now, that what I say, I come they look and say, what's this? Because that is not that kind of life she's living. I don't live that kind of life. If you see where she the drink put, she's a drunker, I'll come they look at. I say, small start, it go carry Odeku. This woman, they carry Odeku for small start. Odeku, the big one. She's a drunk, and I make me they call her drunk. And people say, they drink before they enter social media. They don't when she's a big drunker. Then she go call the drink. Small start. She will carry small start. Sometimes she go carry this. If you see where they like that, put cloth full everywhere, cloth full ground, cloth full everywhere. She know the feet. Ah no, that woman, she's a fool. They are